Ever wondered about the weirdest creatures on our planet? Well, prepare to be amazed as we journey into the bizarre and fascinating world of nature's oddities. Over the next few minutes, we'll unveil 10 of the most peculiar animals on Earth, each more surprising than the last. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the unexpected. We're about to delve into the deep sea, trek across scorching deserts, and venture into lush rainforests, all in pursuit of the extraordinary. Get ready to meet the creatures that prove truth is often stranger than fiction. Our first encounter takes us to the deepest, darkest corners of the ocean, a place of immense pressure and perpetual twilight. And it's here we meet our first contender, the blobfish. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's not a very flattering portrait, is it? And you'd be right. The blobfish is often branded the world's ugliest animal, but I like to think of it as uniquely aesthetically challenged. But there's a reason for this gelatinous blob's rather unfortunate appearance. You see, the blobfish has adapted to survive at depths where few creatures can. At those crushing depths, having a traditional bony skeleton would be a liability. So the blobfish has evolved a body with a density slightly less than water, allowing it to bob along the ocean floor with minimal effort. Imagine floating effortlessly through life, no need for strenuous swimming or elaborate buoyancy control. That's the blobfish's secret. It simply exists, a testament to nature's ability to adapt even in the most extreme environments. But don't let its languid lifestyle fool you. This deep-sea denizen is a master of conservation. With minimal movement, it preserves energy, patiently waiting for unsuspecting prey to wander into its path. From the ocean depths, we journey to the freshwater lakes of Mexico, home to a creature that seems to have cracked the code of eternal youth. Meet the axolotl, a salamander with a secret. It never truly grows up. Unlike their counterparts, who transform into land-dwelling adults, axolotls retain their larval form throughout their lives. They're like Peter Pan of the amphibian world, forever swimming in a state of perpetual childhood. And it's this youthful appearance, with their feathery gills and permanently surprised expressions, that has captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. But the axolotl's secrets don't end there. This remarkable amphibian possesses an almost mythical ability, regeneration. Lose a limb? No problem. The axolotl can simply regrow it, and not just limbs. They can regenerate their spinal cords, heart tissue, and even parts of their brains. It's an ability that has medical researchers incredibly excited, holding the potential to unlock new frontiers in regenerative medicine. Imagine harnessing the axolotl's regenerative prowess to repair damaged tissues and organs in humans. It sounds like science fiction, but thanks to the axolotl, it could one day become a reality. Prepare for a knockout as we dive back into the ocean, this time to meet a creature that packs a punch like no other. The mantis shrimp may be small, but don't let its size fool you. This underwater pugilist is a force to be reckoned with. What makes the mantis shrimp so formidable? Its lightning-fast club-like appendages, capable of striking with the force of a .22 caliber bullet. But it's not just the speed and power that make these strikes so impressive. The impact also generates cavitation bubbles, tiny pockets of vapor that implode with incredible energy, stunning or even killing their prey. It's a 1-2 punch that leaves even the toughest crabs and snails reeling. But the mantis shrimp's talents don't end there. They also possess the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, capable of seeing ultraviolet and polarized light, hues invisible to the human eye. From the colorful coral reefs, we journey to the Galapagos Islands, home to a fish that's traded swimming for a more pedestrian mode of transport. Meet the red-lipped batfish, a creature that looks like it's perpetually applying lipstick, but seems to have missed the memo on how fish are supposed to behave. You see, instead of gracefully gliding through the water, the red-lipped batfish prefers to walk along the ocean floor using its modified fins. Now, I use the term walk loosely because, let's be honest, it looks more like a clumsy crawl. But hey, who are we to judge? It gets the job done. But the red-lipped batfish's eccentricities don't end there. It also possesses a rather prominent nose, which is actually a fleshy appendage called an elysium that it uses to attract prey. It's like a built-in fishing rod, luring unsuspecting crustaceans and small fish straight into its mouth. Hold on to your eardrums, because our next encounter is with a creature that packs a sonic punch. The pistol shrimp may be small, but it's armed with a weapon that's faster than a bullet and louder than a jet engine. This tiny crustacean possesses a specialized claw that can snap shut with such force that it creates a cavitation bubble. And this isn't just any ordinary bubble. This bubble implodes with a deafening bang, reaching temperatures of 8,500 degrees Fahrenheit. That's nearly as hot as the surface of the sun. The resulting shockwave is powerful enough to stun or even kill small fish and crustaceans, making the pistol shrimp a formidable hunter despite its diminutive size. It's a sound so loud that it can even be heard by submarines. Prepare to be mesmerized as we journey to the surface of the ocean, where we encounter a creature that's as beautiful as it is bizarre. The Glaucus atlanticus, also known as the blue dragon, is a small sea slug that's like something out of a Salvador Dali painting. This ethereal creature floats upside down, its vibrant blue underside facing the sky, while its silvery back blends seamlessly with the water's surface. It's a camouflage strategy that makes it nearly invisible to both predators and prey. But the Glaucus atlanticus's beauty is more than skin deep. This tiny creature is a master of defense, storing stinging cells called nematocysts from its prey, such as the Portuguese man-of-war. From the open ocean, we delve underground to meet a creature that's as strange as it is fascinating. The naked mole rat may not win any beauty contests, but what it lacks in looks, it more than makes up for in its remarkable social structure. These hairless rodents live in colonies that rival those of ants and bees in terms of their organization and hierarchy. At the center of it all is the queen, the only female in the colony that reproduces. Talk about girl power. The rest of the colony is divided into specialized castes, each with its own unique role to play. This highly specialized social structure is incredibly rare in mammals, making the naked mole rat a truly exceptional creature. Get ready to be serenaded as we venture into the forests of Australia, home to a creature that's as musically gifted as it is visually stunning. The lyrebird is a master of mimicry, capable of imitating an astonishing range of sounds, from other bird calls to car alarms and even chainsaws. The male lyrebird uses its incredible vocal abilities to attract a mate, performing elaborate courtship displays that showcase its repertoire of sounds. It's like a one-bird orchestra, captivating potential partners with its sonic prowess. But the lyrebird's mimicry isn't just about finding a mate. It also helps them to defend their territory and to confuse predators. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to meet a creature that's practically indestructible. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear or moss piglet, is a microscopic animal that's capable of surviving conditions that would kill most other life forms on Earth. These tiny creatures can withstand extreme temperatures, from near absolute zero to well above the boiling point of water. They can survive pressures 6 times greater than those found at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean. And if that's not impressive enough, tardigrades can even survive the vacuum of space. And for our final act, we journey to Australia, home to a creature that's so strange, it seems to have been cobbled together from spare parts. The platypus is a true enigma, a mammal that lays eggs, has a duck-billed snout and venomous spurs on its hind legs. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the animal kingdom. When European naturalists first encountered the platypus in the 18th century, they thought it was a hoax. They couldn't believe that such a creature could actually exist. But the platypus is very real, and it's a reminder that nature is full of surprises. The platypus's unique mix of traits has fascinated scientists for centuries, and we're still learning new things about this remarkable animal. So there you have it, 10 of the weirdest, wildest, and most wonderful animals on our planet. From the ocean depths to the Australian outback, we've explored a world of bizarre adaptations, incredible abilities, and sheer evolutionary brilliance. What was your favorite weird animal fact? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible journeys into the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring.